If you're running a store with multiple similar products, helping customers compare them can make a big difference. Welcome to Hyper Shopify theme tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the product compare feature, so your customers can easily compare products and make better buying decisions. Let's get started. From your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store Themes, then click Edit Theme on your Hyper theme. In the theme editor, open the theme settings. Look for the Product Compare option, and enable it. Once enabled, the Compare feature will be available across your collection pages. Here, you can also set the maximum number of products customers can compare at once. Now, let's customize what customers actually see when they compare products. In the theme editor, go to the overlay group on the section sidebar, and open Product Compare. This is where you control the content shown in the comparison modal. You can choose which product information to display between Product Info, Main Image, Title, and an option View Details button. Description, Price, Vendor, Product Types, and Variants. You can also reorder these blocks to control how the information is presented. Focus on showing only the most important details, so the comparison stays clear and easy to read. And that's how you set up Product Compare in the Hyper Shopify theme. Once enabled, customers can easily compare products and choose the one that fits them best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Hyper tutorial.